Hey everyone, I have found a new problem with clocks that I believe makes them not competition legal, and I'll show you how to fix it today. The problem is jumping gears or skipping faces. I'm not really sure how to describe it easily. I'll have some videos playing on the screen here of what is happening. It is when one of the edge faces of the clock skips or jumps positions when it is not supposed to be turning. This is happening because the end of the spring sticks out and gets caught on flash on the inside of the clock face, and then the spring twists on itself because it's stuck on there. Eventually the tension becomes enough that the spring forces itself back, taking the clock face along with it. Even though this isn't a normal move on a puzzle similar to a corner twist, this is different from a corner twist because a corner twist is not a possible position you can get on a cube, whereas this is a possible position you could get on a clock. Now on to how you can fix this. It's pretty simple, but you will need to open up your clock. So how you're going to fix this problem is just cutting these little straight ends off both sides of all of the springs. So wire cutters make this very easy. Kind of want to lift it up so you can get underneath there and you're not cutting off a whole ring of the spring. So I found it doesn't need that much taken off if you just get that little straight piece like that. So here's what the springs look like before and after. It's pretty simple. So that's about it. If you've got any questions about this or anything else related to clock, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer it. And yeah.